Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a little full face of mini makeup. I actually going through all of my mini makeup that I own, found that I have enough mini makeup to do like a couple of full faces of mini makeup. So if you like this video, definitely let me know because I can do more. And especially with everything that's going on right now, I'm really just trying to be economical and use the makeup that I already have. Luckily, a lot of brands are kind of following suit and they're not doing a ton of new releases. I have products that I ordered kind of like pre-apocalypse. No, I have stuff that I bought before everything got like really serious that I'm still getting in the mail. But after that, I really want to spend some time going through the makeup that I do have. I don't know, I'm just talking. Times are tough, times are weird. Let's just do the thing already, shall we? So as you can see, I have pretty much lost all will to look nice for my videos. Go Bearcats. Obviously, I already did my eyes. I did my eyes with a normal size palette. It's honestly like the most annoying palette that I have ever encountered just because the color story is so odd. Y'all done? I'm gonna do like a 4 or 5 looks with the Hello Charmer palette. I'm trying to spend some time with it, get to know it, master it. I refuse to let this palette best me. I can absolutely serve a look with a tiny palette though. Don't get it twisted, okay? Where'd she go? So I'm gonna link a video where I use this mini Natasha Denona palette. Now listen guys, this palette is still available on Sephora and it's still on sale for $12.50, which is a steal for a Natasha Denona palette. Anyways, this is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. Ooh, broad spectrum SPF 15. I didn't realize that it had SPF in it. That's cool, love it. It's got the cutest little pump. That is interesting. That's not what I expected it to look like. Can you see that? Very interesting. Let's try. My skin feels very soft now, very smooth. It's not offering like tackiness really. Okay, cool. I like this. For foundation, I'm gonna use this little Tarte Face Tape Foundation. So this one's supposed to complement their famous Shape Tape concealer, I guess. So I got the shade 22N Light Neutral. Yes, ma'am. Now, I don't actually even know anything about this foundation. I don't know what kind of coverage it's supposed to offer. I don't know what the finish is supposed to be. I didn't look it up or anything. So far, it's offering some nice coverage, and I haven't used much of it. Cool! We love a little goes a long way kind of a product. Does anybody else do this when they're putting their foundation on their neck? I do it because I'm trying to like avoid a shadow from making me feel like I've covered my neck appropriately. Such a pretty girl. Now, since I used my mini Tarte face tape, it would only be appropriate for me to follow it up with my mini Tarte shape tape. Not doing that though. I've used that mini Tarte shape tape plenty. So I actually have this little Dior Forever Skin Correct full coverage creamy concealer. Oh boy. So cute. I'm gonna be really mad if I like this actually because it's Dior. So I feel like it's probably gonna be kind of expensive. All right, let's see what we can see about this concealer. It's a little bit of a thicker consistency than I typically like in a concealer. I'm very creasy, very wrinkly under my eyes. So I do not like a thicker, heavier concealer. This is definitely full coverage. A little bit of it goes a long way. We'll see how it sets on my skin. Okay, for powder, I have a little Fenty setting powder. This is the shade Butter. Y'all, this Dior concealer, it's not creasing. Do you know how upset I'm gonna be if I like this concealer? It's the last thing I need right now is another like luxury favorite. Make sure I get everything bounced out. This powder, oh my god, it smells so good. Fenty knows how to do fragrance, that's for sure. They say fragrance like in your products is not a good thing, but I don't know. Whenever there's a fragrance in a Fenty product, it is just like, mwah. It smells so good. Oh, this powder, it gives just the most beautiful finish. My skin looks amazing right now, you guys. I'm sorry, but between this foundation, the powder, the concealer, I'm feeling like, oof. Except for my forehead, which always shows some kind of texture, no matter what, always. Is this how you're supposed to get more powder out? Maybe not, but that's how I do it. Who all's been like hyper productive in quarantine? Because I haven't. I have been, truthfully, as lazy as I can possibly be without just being dead. It's bad though. I'm really trying to create some structure, a schedule for myself. I'm struggling, I gotta say. Okay, so far, foundation, powder, concealer, I'm living. Now, for mini bronzer, I have the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I've actually never tried this bronzer before, but I've, you know, obviously, of course, heard amazing things about it. I'm gonna be honest, Benefit pushes their Hoola products so much that I like legitimately thought Hoola was a brand and they just were really famous for their bronzers. For a long time, I really thought that. I'm using a brush that I don't normally use for bronzer. Like I normally use like a big old brush, but like hello. So anyways, I'm trying a different brush. We're gonna see how it goes. Look at what I did with this stupid brush. Ah! This brush isn't clean, but I'm just gonna use that to buff out anyways. She blends out nicely at least. Okay, and then for blush, I have from the Balm Cosmetics. Now listen, I'm guessing this is a mini. It's pretty tiny, but I feel like the Balm has a lot of like small, I mean, God, look at that. But this is so tiny. I feel like this has to be a mini, right? I got this in like an Ipsy box, I think. I feel like I picked a bad day to use brushes I don't normally use because I don't know if it's like the product's being weird or if it's just me because I have weird brushes. I don't know what's done. It's all right. I like this blush, I gotta say. Like it gives just like a nice flush to the skin. Okay, fun, I like it. Oh. For highlighter, I have one of my all-time favorites. I'm gonna use my little Fenty Diamond Balm in How Many Carats. The full size of this is one of my absolute favorite highlighters ever. It's so cute, look at it. I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Woo. God, I love this highlighter. Stunning, so nice. If you don't like glittery highlighters, this isn't the highlighter for you. But I love it. All right, for brows, I'm just gonna use this little $1 billion browed pomade thing with my little tiny brush and spoolie, the cutest ever. This stuff's not really my color. I have used this, I got this in an Ipsy. The product itself is actually like really nice. It's just not quite the right color for me, but I can buff it out and make it work. So how is everyone doing? Quarantine has been kind of rough on me, I gotta say. And like, I'm kind of a homebody anyways, like without quarantine being a factor. So I thought that this wouldn't be that bad for me, but it's honestly kind of like, I don't know, it's getting a little taxing just being home all the time. So it's just been really easy for me to like be lazy. I'm really trying to keep up the productivity. Also my diet, y'all, girl. Come on. I really got to get my diet, my exercise back on track, all of that, because it's really slipping. Fun. I've got a couple options for mini mascaras. So I have this Benefit mini roller lash that I've been meaning to try for some time, but I also have this Buxom Plumping formula for full voluminous lashes. This is very much like a sample, kind of like not quite like a mini product, but I want to try it. I don't like this brush. It's a big one. This is like, it's probably my least favorite part of my entire makeup routine, is trying to do my bottom lashes. Okay, so there's one eye with the Buxom, there's the other eye with nothing. I think I'm gonna go in on the other eye with my Benefit mini roller lash. I have heard a lot about this mascara. It's kind of like a classic favorite, it seems like. Nice little interesting brush. Let's try it. Let me pop some lashes on real quick. Okay, lashes are on. As you can see, glue is not quite dried just yet, but we're gonna let it get there. I do want to do lips now. I am going to use this Pat McGrath thing that I have, but I first want to address something. What is this? A lipstick for ants? I'm sorry. Y'all know I had to fit that joke in here somewhere for the minis, but like, oh my gosh, Smashbox, what is this? Smashbox, 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 what is this? It's actually a pretty color. But that's it, now it's empty. Just kidding, but like, this is so tiny. It's so tiny. That's a nice color though. Anyways, I have these little Pat McGrath lipsticks that I want to use though, in this little thing that I'm going to try not to make a mess, because it's literally like glitter and sequins in here. What the heck? I'm gonna have to get scissors to open this. Be right back. I got them out, but I left the thing in the other room because I didn't want to make a mess. These are so cute with the little lips. I've never used anything by Pat McGrath before, just because she's way expensive. Oh my god. It's so cute. All right, let's swatch. Oh, that's a nice color. I like that. This one doesn't look that different. Okay, it's a little darker. Ooh, this one's real dark. Oh, wow. Yeah, very vampy, kind of cute, though. Okay, I'm going to do this first one, I think. Or should I do the second one? What do you think? I'm going to do the second one just because I want to. If I don't like it, I'll take it off. I think it looks okay. It's not like I have anything to do or anyone to see or anywhere to go. So, last but not least, I have this little Photo Finish Primer Water Set and Refresh Spray from Smashbox. Finish the look. Ooh, that's nice. Alrighty, and there's the final look, I suppose. So, really good makeup day for the minis. I mean, obviously I gotta see how it's all gonna wear and whatnot. Shout out to the primer for coming in clutch with the SPF. The Face Tape foundation, the powder, and the concealer, I all really like so far, actually. But if there is anything notable about how they wear, I will pop that down in the description box when I post this. I definitely like the Benefit mascara better than the Buxom mascara, mostly because of the wand. Neither of them are like my new amazing favorite of the world or anything like that. Brow product, I already knew I liked the brow product. It was great. Fenty, girl, you know. The Hoola bronzer was really good. The Balm blush was really good. Lipstick was really good and so cute. So yeah, fun little mini makeup day. I hope that you found this video somewhat entertaining, interesting, whatever. Thank you so much for watching, for coming and hanging out with me. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll come back and watch another one again very soon. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.